Hello friends, today we are going to be discuss about how to create features file in Serenity BDD framework. Okay, so already we done how to create actor centric test and how to create instrument class, which is common methods, how to create task. Okay, so now we are going to be looking into features. What is features? So features means more than one steps or task called as features. Okay, for example, take us login scenario. In login scenario, what are the tasks we have to taken? Enter the username, enter the password, click on sign in button. This is the three tasks. This three tasks we are going to be defined inside future. Okay, so already we done this video. Okay, you just go through it. That time only you will understand the features part. Okay, so the create task already we done. Now I'm going to be tell you future. Okay, so here you see there is no packages for features. Right now I'm going to be create package for features separately. com.web.features feature. Okay, this is the package I created successfully. So already we done on task, right? Which tasks we done? Click on returns option. So open Chrome. Here I'm going to be open Amazon.in. So what I in task video I told you, click on returns, right? This is the task already I implemented in task 5. Okay, so here open the browser, open the application and click on the returns. The three steps I'm going to be defined inside features file, right? So that only now I'm going to be created features file. So where we have to create under features package, create class, what Amazon. Okay, Amazon, sorry, Amazon return future. So this is the class name. Okay, so I created successfully class name. So inside class only we are going to be define test method. Okay, so I'm going to be created test method. So Amazon return option. Okay, so this is the method I created. So here have to define test annotation. So here I didn't use testng. Testng different from JUnit. Here I am fully implemented JUnit only. Okay, you just select this test JUnit annotation. So now we are successfully created class and as well as method. Okay, inside class only we are going to be implement all the steps, right? So already I told you the actor centric class. The actor only going to be perform all the task action, right? So now I'm going to be create actor. So after entering the partial text of actor, you just press Control space bar. That time you will be get suggestion methods. Okay, you just enter this one. I'm going to be assign one name for actor, Natasha Tech. Okay, this is the actor name. Actor dot named. So here which role I'm going to be assigned this actor, user only going to be perform all the action in application, right? So like that way assigned name as user. Now we are successfully created that actor name as Natasha Take. Now I'm going to be perform all the action inside web application, right? For that we need to create interface, which is WebDriver. Created object for browser. So the Serenity provided one annotation which is managed. Using this managed annotation, we can able to manage this all the test method task. Okay, so we just define this one managed. So now we are successfully created interface also. Next, how it will be run this all the actions. So with the help of Serenity runner only, we can execute all the class of this method. Okay. So now have to define it that annotation which is run with. this run with, inside we have to define the Serenity runner dot class. The Serenity runner only will pick all the method. Okay, so what are, how many methods is available in this class, it will be pick and it will be run with the help of the Serenity runner. Okay, so now next we have to go to this perform the all the actions. Okay, so Natasha take, which is the superhero, can do something in where, browse the web dot, so with browser only going to be perform all the action, right? So next we have to start the task in Cucumber. Inside features file, how we can write down all the steps given, when, then, and. So this is the method we are using for defining the step definition, right? The same way inside Serenity BDD, we have to define it all the task with the help of given, when method. Okay, so there is one method which is given, when, then. Okay, after importing this package we will get this package, right? So this is the not right one, you should type a static and at the end you have to put dot, you can give given that. So this is the method, with the help of this given that method we can launch the browser. Okay, given that. So what is the actor name here? Natasha Tech. Next, so was able to to-dos means the performance, the actions. This is the meaning of to-dos. Okay, so here we are defined given that and was able to. The was able to only going to be perform all the action with the help of given that method. Okay, so here already we created two task file. One is open the browser, next is click on return the option. So first launch the application and hit the URL, then I have to click that option in amazon.com. Which option? The returns option. So in Cucumber we are called as steps, in Serenity BDD we have to call it as task. Okay, so here I just call this task, the first task. Okay, what is the task name? Open the browser, right? So inside to do's I'm going to be give the open the browser dot on. Okay, so this is the given that. So next is when, after launching the browser, next I'm going to be perform click on the returns, right? After typing one keyword, press control space for the same time. Here I didn't find the right package of this when keyword. So in that case what I have to do, go up. So already we are imported given that package, right? You just copy, paste it. So after given, when, then you just remove this given that, you can type as when, because the given, when, then only support given that and when, then this method. Okay, this method will support this static package. So now you will be get the right package. See, because this package contain the actor name. So what is the actor name? Natasha Take. Next I'm going to be attempt the all the task. So after launching the browser, what are the action we are going to be handled inside web application? Those are called as task in Serenity BDD. So here, what is the task we have to call inside when method? Click on returns option, right? So I just to copy this class. So this is the method name. Okay, put dot, enter. So here I didn't get that suggestion method name, right? So what is the mistake? So this when, given, when, then packages here static one. The static will support static method only, right? So in that case you should change this task method as the task name as here static one. So now you will be get, click on return. Okay, so now we are successfully implemented given that and when, which is the task. So after end of this one, don't put any semicolon. Already we are close this atoms action put a semicolon, right? So inside we didn't put anything. Okay. Now I am going to be execute this feature file. Right click on run as JUnit test. I didn't find. Again I will run. It's opening. I think it has failed. It has not clicked that returns link, right? So let's see what is the problem. Open this task, open this method. So this web element facade, it is provided by Serenity. Okay. So sometime what happened, this web element facade is not performing with web application. In that case, I just command this one and try to use web element only. See what happened. Web element. So browse the web dot as actor dot find by. Okay, so or else find by dot export. So here how to use this string export. Okay, see before when I use web element facade, in that case I added the get driver method. After I can use find element. So when I use web element only, in that case I can use find method. Inside I can use by keyword. Okay, so let's see. I just run again whether it is working or not. We have to check. I think it is clicked successfully. Yeah. So now the execution is passed, right? So this is the way we have to create the feature file. Okay. So we done task file, and the task file we are defined inside features file. So this is the way we have to implement the feature. Okay. Thank you guys.